Hi, welcome to Weelko. Today I present you VOME, a high-class electric beauty bed with a minimalist style and huge comfort. This bed is equipped with 3 motors that control height, backrest, and seat inclination. The bottom panels are built in the backrest and the seat, but we can also include as an option a foot controller and a hand controller. It's a very compact bed with just one column, which makes it very stable when going up and down. It also allows the Trendelenburg position, and because of its design, it's ideal for small spaces. The leg rest is adjustable using a gas lift. The buttons built in the backrest and seat give us total control of the movement from any point of the bed. The armrests are reclining and removable, and the headrest is extensible. High-class white upholstery, seamless, easy to clean, and very aesthetic. For more information about our devices and beds, you can visit our website www.weelko.com.